guys, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 1. I'm gonna try to do this. I don't know if I'm gonna succeed because that is a lot to do a video every day for 25 days, but I'm gonna try to keep them short and see if I can pull it off. So I just got to mom's. We just got back from the gym. I have this that I think I'm gonna open here. So mom got me this like advent sock calendar that's Mando, so I thought I could open this. It's 15 days, so I think I'm supposed to start on the 15th, but I'm gonna start today instead. And then as you guys can see, we're in full work mode over here currently, working on pre-Black Friday orders. I have got a lot of shirt orders in my car, and then I'm still waiting, and they're bouncing back and forth, but I'm still waiting on the last shipment of screens. They literally have been going from Raleigh to Greensboro to Memphis, Tennessee to Greenville, South Carolina, and just going back and forth between those two places. They have been updating though, so they're not lost, they're just bouncing. So I'm hoping they show up soon because I really need to get those out. Would you like to say hello to Vlogmas? Hello. Anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and open my socks, and then we are going to get to work on these stickers. Look at how cute. Ooh. Uh-oh. Well, we got kind of into day 2. Oh, look how cute. They say nom nom nom, and he's got the frog. Oh, those are cute. Okay, so there's day 1. He's got his hair cut. Put your ears up. What are you doing? Put your ears up. Put your little ears up.
He's afraid.
But he got this really cute koala bandana. Oh, hello.
Which he doesn't really like.
Which he's not a huge fan of. Okay, so it is now about 3 p.m. I messed this shirt up the other night, pressing it, and luckily it was my size. This right here should have been taken out, and I didn't realize until I pressed it. Luckily it was my size, and I had another, so I kept it for myself because I mean, you can't tell by looking at it, but I didn't want to send it out when it was wrong. Anyway, so it's about 3. I'm leaving mom's now. I've got some Christmas presents that got delivered to her house. I'm gonna go walk the dogs, wrap these gifts. I might put out our outdoor stuff. I'm not sure if I'm gonna have time tonight. And then I need to press some shirts. I think we've got some that need to be done. I need to place a shirt order as well. So, off to my house. Hey guys, so it is now much later. I'm home. I took the dogs and then came back here and pressed some shirts. I need to get the labels done for those, but I am now making dinner. Got some bacon cooking. I'm making a bacon and ranch like pasta. It's super simple, and do you hear these dogs? And I'm really tired, so I am going to make that for dinner since it's so easy to do. If you guys want a recipe, it's on my Pinterest. Well, yeah, if you want the recipe, let me know and I can link it in the comments. It's a Pinterest recipe. It's supposed to have chicken in it, but that is just too much meat for me. So I have currently got all of this stuff on the island. I'm about to move it. I don't think I'm gonna wrap it tonight. I'm just too tired. I need to place an order for some supplies, so I'm about to sit down and do that. I'll show you the dinner, I guess, when it's done. Colby should be here any minute. So we just finished dinner, and Colby is about to do the dishes.
Woo woo! So thrilled. Love dishes.
Anyway, so
follow me for dishing. Never mind.
Anyway, so he's about to do the dishes, and
Woo! Dishes!
And then I'm about to go print some labels for some shirts and get those packaged up. It's currently 8 p.m. And then we're probably gonna go to bed. So that's bacon grease from the bacon. Anyway, so end of Vlogmas Day 1. I'm gonna do my best to keep up with this. I'm not positive that I can. I already almost forgot tonight. Okay, anyway, I will hopefully talk to you guys tomorrow.